I woke up tired, even after sleeping for 8 full hours. My alarm rang, but my body completely refused to move. This bed feels more powerful than my life goals today. I checked my phone and already felt exhausted. Some mornings don't want motivation, they want silence. I'm awake, but my mind is still sleeping somewhere else. If laziness was a sport, I'd win gold this morning. I planned to wake up early, but reality had other plans. This is not sleep, this is emotional attachment to the bed. Let me show you how to talk about a lazy morning in English. It's morning, and I slowly open my eyes. I say, I feel very lazy today. I stay in bed for a few extra minutes. I look at the ceiling and think about nothing. I tell myself, I don't want to get up yet. My body feels heavy this morning. I stretch my arms and yawn slowly. I say, I didn't sleep well last night. I check the time on my phone. I realize I am already late. I say, today is starting very slowly. I sit on the bed for some time. I rub my eyes and take a deep breath. I feel sleepy even after waking up. I say, my energy level is very low. I finally stand up from the bed. I walk slowly to the bathroom. I say, I need some fresh air. I splash water on my face. I still feel lazy after that. I look at myself in the mirror. I say, I look very tired today. I brush my teeth without any hurry. I move slowly and quietly. I say, my body needs more time. I go back to my room. I sit on a chair and relax. I say, I will start my day slowly. I open the window for fresh air. I feel a little better now. I say, mornings like this are very common. I check my phone again. I scroll for a few minutes. I say, I should stop using my phone. I put my phone away. I decide to make some tea. I walk to the kitchen slowly. I say, I need something warm. I prepare a cup of tea. I feel relaxed holding the cup. I say, this tea is giving me energy. I take small sips quietly. I stand near the window. I watch the morning outside. I say, the morning feels calm. I start feeling fresh little by little. I say, my laziness is slowly going away. I take another deep breath. I feel more awake now. I say, I am ready to move. I decide to take a shower. I say, a shower helps me wake up. I finish my shower quickly. I wear clean clothes. I say, I feel better now. I comb my hair slowly. I look more fresh in the mirror. I say, my mood is improving. I sit down for breakfast. I eat something light. I say, breakfast gives me strength. I feel more active after eating. I check my plans for the day. I say, today will be simple. I start my work slowly. I remind myself to stay calm. I say, it's okay to be slow sometimes. I open my notebook. I write a few things. I feel focused now. I say, my lazy morning is ending. I take one more sip of tea. I clean my table. I say, small actions help a lot. I sit properly and stretch again. I feel ready for the day. I say, my energy is back. I start speaking English to myself. I say, practice makes me confident. I smile softly. I remind myself to speak slowly. I say, simple English is enough. I feel happy with my progress. I say, lazy mornings are normal. I don't blame myself. I choose to move forward. I feel calm and positive. I say, today will be a good day. I take one last deep breath. I start my day with confidence. I walk out of my room. I feel light and fresh. I say, my morning is complete. I am ready for my tasks. I keep my pace slow and steady. I say, I don't need to rush. I feel comfortable with myself. I enjoy this calm feeling. Bye-bye.